In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get crowns in Duolingo. Crowns are Duolingo's way of tracking how deeply you've practiced a specific skill. Each skill has multiple levels, and when you complete enough lessons in that skill, you earn a crown. More crowns mean you've seen harder examples, tougher listening and speaking prompts, and more varied vocabulary within that topic. So if your goal is steady progress and a stronger foundation, crowns are what you want to build. First, open the Duolingo app. Make sure you're on the latest version so your screens look similar to what I'm describing, and give the app a second to load your course. If you use multiple courses, it will open the last one you practiced. Next, confirm you're on the Home tab. This is the main learning path, usually marked by a little house icon at the bottom. The home screen shows your path with units and lessons arranged in order. This is where crown progress happens. Practice in other tabs is helpful, but the home path is the core place where crowns are earned. Now, focus on your current section on the path. You'll see the next available unit or lesson highlighted or unlocked. Tap into that section to continue. Within a unit, each lesson contributes to your crown level for that skill. If you notice a partial progress ring or a label like level 1, level 2, and so on, that's your crown progression. Completing the required number of lessons in that unit levels it up and grants a crown. If you've already earned some crowns there, you can keep leveling the same unit for more depth or move forward to the next unlocked unit. When you're ready, tap Continue, then start, and if you see it again, tap Start one more time to begin the lesson. Duolingo sometimes stacks these prompts if you're resuming or if there's a quick tip screen before the exercise. Complete the lesson by answering the prompts carefully. Read every instruction, listen closely on audio tasks, and speak clearly during speaking exercises. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Use it as feedback and keep going. At the end, you'll see your results with XP and crown progress. If you finish the required lessons for that level, you'll see that crown added. After you finish, head to the treasure icon at the bottom. This area shows rewards and chests you can claim, which often appear as you complete lessons and milestones. It's a good place to see your effort pay off with bonuses that help you keep practicing. That's the flow. Work from the home path, do the current section, tap continue and start to begin, finish the lesson, and check the treasure tab for rewards. Keep following that path, and your crowns will steadily climb.